Hey everyone, it's Derek with PA Street Scene with a quick tutorial today for all of the Mark IV generation Golf GTI and R32 owners out there. Now my car is a 2004 R32 and as such it's coming up on being 17 years old, and the power window switches on these cars tend to break. As you can see, my driver's side window is broken. It still operates, but not very smoothly, and as you can see it's just hanging on by a thread. Passenger side window does fine, but these are super inexpensive and really easy to replace. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, like the one you see here, and some kind of a panel popper or putty knife or something, and we'll get started. And then of course you need the new window switches. So what you want to do is you want to wedge your tool in between this piece of plastic right here. Not all of these cars are going to have the aluminum trim, and actually this aluminum trim could use a replace. It's looking pretty rough lately. But with that said, you just want to wedge your tool in here in between and then pop this out. Just move it along the edges there. Comes out pretty easily. There you go. Looks like that. And then with that out, you should be able to just pull this off. There we go. Out like that. And then there is a clip on the back here with just a little pin. You just want to squeeze it, pull it out, which is going to leave you with this 3 Phillips head screws to take out, and then basically you just put it all back together. So let's get started on that. We'll take out our 3 Phillips head screws. I think the hardest part about this is going to be not losing the screws. Everything else is really simple. Lots of crows out today. I apologize for the background noise. They don't give you a lot of finger room back here. There we go. Second screw. And third screw at the top. Now you can just pop that out like that and discard. Put the new one in here. It's going to be a direct fit. Put your screws back in. Your guide holes should match up. This last one's a little tricky just because of where it's positioned. I'm sure a magnetic screwdriver would make that a lot easier. And of course your last one up at the top. And they're nice and tight. Grab your plug. Get in the bottom there. Snap that into place. Double check that it works. Okay, windows work. Door locks work. Looks like we're good to go. Then we're just gonna find that plastic piece again. Squeeze it back into place. And you're all said and done. Quick 5-minute project to have nice tight operating window switches. And again, this is for the Mark IV R32 GTI and Golf platform. I've never owned a Jetta. I can assume it's probably the same process with that as well. But I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and also smash that notification bell. Leave any comments in the bottom. I'll be sure to read them all. And until then, I'll see you all next time.